All off a movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my ad-lib. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. Wanna get my got face and they love me. Wanna get my got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. I'm fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. In the records, I pop with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Ain't that social, never run the club. Like, oh, invite me to the club. With your sexy, don't wanna trap me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Don't fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. In the records, I pop with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Ain't that social, never run the club. Like, oh, invite me to the club. With your sexy, don't wanna trap me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Swear, go chain quick. Some niggas gotta keep that they can't control. Broke, I'm born rich. If you in this situation, nigga, deal with it. Pop, bitch, you ain't make that clear. Nigga, see, little take on these skinny clip. Rewind a few times on the floor real quick. But that shit, nigga, I was known for this. You immature and I'm grown with it. This young nigga working soul with it. Niggas will accuse you, I know. Just city close when you throw shit. Nigga, got some regardless, who cares? Fuck your opinion, don't care what you hear. It's big boys, BB Simmons on my game.
I'm at the mall right now, but I don't know if you guys like care to see. I'm just like walking in a circle. They have like real restaurants for like Applebee's, Chili's, but I might vlog a little bit because it is.
To me, that they probably clapping. Ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. Wanna get my got face and they love me. Wanna get my got haters, they hate me.
Okay, we're finally on the camera. I've been using my phone. That's why the quality is probably wasn't as good as this is. But y'all, I'm finally in the hotel. Even though you probably saw it in the background just now, let me give you a little tour. Coming through here. This, which I'm not using. Do people really use safes in hotels? Maybe if you're staying for like a week. But bathroom. Mirror. Another mirror when you walk in. Overview of the room. This is so cute to me. This shuts. I guess because people like can wash up right there. And you won't be able to see them with this shut. We have this. The bed looks super comfortable. Y'all, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm so freaking exhausted. Then it's this. My name on the TV. And that's literally it, y'all. Y'all, my Uber on the way here just now was going the wrong freaking way. Like, I could see the minutes going up. I was really supposed to be here. Thank goodness they had early check-in. I brought myself a water so I could just chill. Oh, I'm here for the Drake concert, y'all. That's how insane I am. Like, I came here just for a Drake concert. I missed him when he came to my city. 2 shows in my city I missed, okay? Then I booked a trip to Tennessee to see him for the second leg of the tour with him and J. Cole. He came to like 10 cities and I just happened to be one of them. No, like I can't miss Drake like this. I love concerts and it's just, I need that vibe. I need to see Drake because he's been on tour for like 6 months, 8 months. Sure will be. This is last concert on the tour. I like napped for 1 hour. People kept texting, calling me phone. So I didn't get to do like a really big nap, but it's fine. I want to put these nails on real quick. Bringing a purse out and all that because it's gonna be dark when I leave. I'm not doing that. It's almost 8. Hopefully it starts on time. But like, I haven't had chapstick in almost 24 freaking hours because I lost mine. And I'm stressing out.
Where's she from? I'll take somebody else's car. Try down the
Why are they sending me a new ride? What was that? Was a concert or what?
Yeah, concert.
Who was singing?
Drake.
Oh, that's why. I love a lot of people. So what is the ride now? We don't have the ride. Why are they sending me a new damn thing?
I don't know. I didn't do it. I look like yesterday because I literally woke up 30 minutes ago. I missed my shuttle. Called the freaking Uber. Yo. Pants dragging on the ground. I made it. Wait, I look kind of good. I accidentally set my phone. Well, I had an automatic alarm set for 4:30, but I didn't know that alarm was only for like weekdays, and this was the Saturday I was waking up on. So I woke up at like 5:30. My flight was taking off at like 6:17 or something like that. I don't know how I made it, but I made it. So basically, I'm back home, but I want to tell y'all like the story that involves that before I continue with the vlog. Since I went so far, I wanted to watch the whole entire concert. I didn't want to miss anything. He was talking at the end, being cute or whatever. On the Lyft app, it was like wait and save, and it was only $10. So I'm like, okay, wait. My hair's a mess, y'all. Sorry. So I'm like, okay, of course I'm gonna wait and save. After a while, like a lot of people were sitting in the lobby still. They were like, in 10 minutes everyone's gonna have to go outside. We're shutting this whole thing down. So I'm like, I hope this Uber gets here in 10 minutes because it's New Jersey. It's freezing outside. So the Uber did not get there in 10 minutes. So I was like, okay. I canceled my wait and save, and then I ordered another Uber because I didn't want to wait anymore. Said urgent pickup, 3 minutes, whatever, $45. I was like, I'm just gonna pay it. We're on the way, but then he called me and he was like, traffic is not moving. It's like stuck. Can you walk towards me? I was like, okay, what are you near? And every time you're upstate and you ask the Ubers, what are they near? They will tell you streets instead of like, oh, I'm near a Dunkin' Donuts. Like, where I live, where I'm from, we don't know. Like, what do you mean the street? No, we don't go off streets really. At least I don't. I'm walking this one direction, and I'm glad that I didn't keep walking because I would have literally been lost. So I asked the police officer, I'm like, where is this? And he was like, because he was conducting traffic. It was like a big traffic jam. I go this way, I walk this way. And he was yelling at me the whole time. He was like, what color are you wearing? I was like, I'm wearing pink. He was like, no, you're wearing orange. I'm like, this is freaking pink. I get in the car, put my seatbelt on, and that's the audio of me in the car. And he was like, oh, did you cancel the ride? I'm like, no. I was like, did you cancel the ride? He was like, no, I've been waiting on you this whole time. Why would I cancel the ride? I'm like, I don't know. Keep in mind, big factor here, my phone was on 4%. I'd automatically given me another Uber driver. I was like, can you please just take me? And he was like, he was like, well, like, he told me to take me, it would have been 45, which was the price of the Uber. So I gave him 45, but he was talking about like some bonus. I want to be greedy, but you owe me $10 more. I didn't even hesitate. I was like, whatever, because I had already typed the address in for him to take me. I was like, whatever. I sent him $10 more. So he's like, okay, we're good. And then he took me there. He was like, do you vape? I'm like, no. And he was like, oh, I was gonna offer you my vape. I'm like, oh, okay. Like, no. He's like, are you in high school? I'm like, no. So he was driving like all crazy. He was slamming on brakes. He was like, oh, I can offer you my vape because this is not a real ride. I can slam on brakes. This is not a real ride. But if it was a real ride, I was really gonna give him 1 star because he was yelling at me when he first called me. Like, when he was like trying to find me or whatever. Like, why are you yelling at me?
Dunkin', would you like chai churro sweet latte?
No thanks. Can I get an avocado toast and apple juice? That's it. I want to get another caramel. Oh, this avocado toast looks so good. Oh, I love avocado toast. It just tastes like sweets to me. We made it. This is what I'm wearing today, y'all. Flare leggings. My newbies. Target has stepped up their game for like Debbie cakes, because my Target used to not have like the black people Debbie cakes. I feel like we just added these down here. Even though I'm not getting them, but like when I'm ready to start snacking again, then I'll get them. Has anyone tried these before? They just look so like good and aesthetic. I forgot to start vlogging earlier, but I'm with. What's your name? Yo, we only got how many? 18 credits, but I don't know why it's purple. They want to get on this first. Start record the whole experience. Y'all, these lights are kind of messing on my hair. We're here with aloe vera. Daniel, guys. What I'm finna see from up here, but you know. A mess, but I was pleasantly surprised at the concert. Nicki was so good. Both Nicki and Drake, Lil Wayne. I was pleasantly surprised the whole weekend. And the fair. I was surprised at the fair too, because the rides were like good. They weren't like kiddie rides. They were going fast. But Nicki was actually dancing, performing. You know, on TikTok, they was like bashing her a little bit for not doing enough. But y'all, she did enough. That's it for the vlog.